Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at how to adjust your windshield wiper spray nozzle. Wiper spray nozzles can either be spraying above the required area, way too high, or sometimes they might spray way too low. For this particular car, the nozzle is located on the hood, as you can see. Now all you need for adjusting the windshield spray nozzle is needle. By simply inserting a needle and wiggling, you can adjust the height of the spray. For example, now it is adjusted low. Let's go ahead and adjust it to the right size, little up. See, by simply adjusting by using needle, you can adjust the spray nozzle for correct spray position. Let's have a look. Previously this was spraying a little higher, so the windshield wiper spray nozzle is now correctly adjusted. Now let's go ahead and do for the second. The second one is actually not spraying at all. It has been blocked. So let's have the passage opened by using a needle again. Simply open the passage and then go ahead to see if the spray pattern is correct. Previously it is not spraying anything. See, now it has started spraying. Then as you can see, it's a little low. It requires adjusting a little higher. By simply prying it with the needle, you can adjust the correct height. Now both nozzles are spraying and the spray pattern is nice. So this is a simple trick for adjusting the windshield wiper spray nozzle. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this video. If you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new here, do consider subscribing and turn on notification so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.